Nipsey Hussle's brother, and he opened up a new burger stand.
Smell it, make sure you don't stay first. Just to make sure that you ain't work. Beat that shit all out the framework. You ain't just saying my name, no. I figured you know how this game go. Run me your watch and your chain, bro. They some like all in my gang, though.
No, that ain't what you want, nigga. That ain't, because I've been giving, I've been watching, nigga. That ain't what you want. That ain't what you want, nigga. No, get on that. That's what all my niggas are. Hey, watch out, I got it. No, listen, bro. I'm done with it. When it's life and action. When the niggas like something around. The niggas talking about, bro, get cracked. No, we can't holler. Yeah, we go, you coming right here, nigga. Look, holler about bro, the nigga got me. Show me though, nigga. I don't know. The demonstration. You talking to smile niggas disrespecting bro. Did you get cracked? Did you get cracked? Did you get you all be cool with it.
What's the issue?
I don't know.
Let's clear it out. This is a family affair. It's a family affair. Lose that, man.
Look. Go that way, Mahalo. It ain't supporting me, nigga. Get cracking for both, nigga. That's what it's about, nigga.
Let's take a walk, man. You know what's hard to get to that, bro. Bro, we all tripping on that, bro. We don't come with it. You know that, bro. We tripping on that, bro.
Listen, bro. If the nigga ain't demonstrating for hustle, this is what I'm telling you. Don't come over here. Don't come over here trying to be. Then guess what? Go do something and come back. Don't get cracking and come back. That's what I said, bro. Listen. We're not beating. Trying to holler at you, bro. It ain't hollering at me. A nigga disrespect, bro. You do what you supposed to.
Who disrespect bro to me? Don't nobody disrespect bro.
Any nigga that disrespect bro when you in that prison, you better smash.
In their prison, ain't nobody disrespected bro in my prison.
I'm talking on the internet.
Fact.
When you see him,
that internet shit is weak, bro.
When you see him get cracked, when you see him get cracked, I can't tell.
You know what's happening.
I can't tell, nigga.
You know what's happening.
Hey, what's gonna happen to Blacc Sam?
I can't tell. I can't tell.
What's gonna happen to Blacc Sam? What's gonna happen to Blacc Sam? Come on. You tripping? You say you gotta go, bro. I got you. You say get cracked. Come on. I got you. You gotta go, bro. I got you, DA. You gotta go, bro. Come on. Hey, Blacc Sam said you gotta go, bro. Blacc Sam said you gotta go.